Hi, Katie Herbold here. Wanted to give you a little tutorial about using YouTube videos in Schoology because we've been having some trouble with students being able to view them depending on how you put them in. Previously, kind of the protocol for adding a YouTube video was to go to when you add materials, adding a file, link, or external tool, and then adding a link. Now, one of the things that teachers do, and I used to do, was to take this top URL right up here on the top of the video. What we're finding in Schoology now is these aren't always working very well for students. So what we want to change to is we want to change to going down underneath our video, this one right here, and there's a share. And this is the URL that we want to copy and put into Schoology. You can, of course, title it. Often it can title on its own, sometimes it doesn't. So, okay, my next suggestion is to click this button down here. Right now, if a student clicks on that link, it will try to display in Schoology. And what that looks like sometimes for students is they try to click on it, and it might pop up in Schoology, but often they get this YouTube refuse to connect because it's trying to go directly through it. So what my suggestion would be for that is to, instead of having it show in Schoology, would be to go to this and click it. And now when it's not highlighted, it will display in a new window. So when you click on it, just like students, they will have a new tab pop up with that window. Now, when you do links this way, you notice they have suggested videos. Also, if comments are enabled, you might be able to see comments, and sometimes that can be really distracting for students. So another really nice way to put a YouTube video in to Schoology, where students never actually have to leave Schoology, they can stay right in it, is to, instead of adding a link, we're going to add a page. Now, you don't have to assign a score to a page because it's not an assignment, it's just a page. So we'll call this our video name. And now we're going to head back over to our video, and we're going to go to share again, but instead of copying this link, we're going to go to embed. So we're going to take that. Now, you can start this video. You don't have to start it at the beginning. If you want to start it 1 minute in, you could click on this, and then you'll be able to identify at what point you want to start that video. You can show player controls. You can do a privacy enhanced mode. Normally, I just leave those. So I'm going to take and copy this iframe code, go back to my Schoology course, and I'm going to insert image or media from the web. And this is media, it's not an image. Notice it says link/embed, and I'm going to paste that embed iframe in, and I'm going to create. So now this is a page that's the Amoeba Sisters Mitosis video. You can click on it, and what students will see is they will see the video, and they can click and play it right in Schoology. They can go full screen, they can do all of that. They'll see some suggested videos, but they won't see the comments. And also, if there's ads that pop up in YouTube, the ads won't pop up when it's in Schoology or when it's embedded like this. Now, my last suggestion with doing these pages, this works perfectly fine. Students click in, they see the video. There's another option here where we can edit. And then down here, just like we clicked that button before to show in Schoology, now on a page, it'll display on a new page, or if you click it and it's highlighted, it'll display in line. And here's what that looks like. So when I press Save Changes, now right in the student's feed, it pops up right here, and they never even have to click in. They can just press play, and the video goes. Hope this helps you use more YouTube videos in your classes. Have a great day.